All three of them. Montego, Ranger, Expedition. That's sad. It's all to fund, you know, something else. Here they go. Right there. All three of them. All three of them are out of here. It's a rookie here. What's going on?
I was like, hey, if you told me, you could have
Hey,
that truck.
dude, is that thing in neutral or what? There they go. Out of here. Look at this beast. Look at this beast of a truck, man. This thing is incredible. All three of them out of here at once. There they go. Holy crap. Yep, that's it. They're all gone. We're going to do something else with that money. If you're interested in seeing what's going to happen, you got to watch the channel. What's up, Guy Garage?
Are you ready to get reckless?
Where your RC adventures begin. We're over here at Wreckless Hobbies. We're checking out their crawler track. This is actually pretty intense. I am definitely surprised at all the obstacles that this track has. This is absolutely insane. You see, you got the teeter-totter here. Look at that. Holy smokes. This is insane. Right up here. Right up on those log trails right there. Bring it on down. The U-turn right here. Coming under the overpass here. Little rock section. Little articulation spot. Some nice chunky drainage stone right there. Going in through the drainage tube. This is actually pretty sick. Out of the drainage tube. Probably hooking around there and then coming up and crawling over this right here, down, and then back onto some more rocks here. Yeah, this is pretty sick. This is a nice setup, I'm telling you. Looks like we got two ways of travel. You can take the rock path, or you can take the tilted log style. Like we're coming down, nice little U-turn right there, bring it in under the bridge, come around, go underneath it there. It's like a little turn right here, coming up on the rocks, and then back over the bridge here. Onto a pretty steep ramp. It's kind of an interesting setup right there. Man, actually weighted pretty good. I wonder what the weight is to get that ramp to tip. Not too bad. Like that's the finish line, maybe. This thing is actually pretty intense. And this is where we are right here. Looks like got some more stuff over here. More crawler gravel, big stones. Keeping the big stones together with a little foam. Got some tires. It's a pretty slick setup right here. All right, now let's go in. Got a nice indoor track. This is pretty slick. So we just went over and visited Wreckless Hobbies for the first time over in Wareham, Mass. And I'll tell you right now, first impressions, that place is insane. If you like RC type stuff, RC like literally anything, that is where you need to go. I'll put a thing for the address up on the screen, and I'll also put it in the description below. The owner's name is Sean, real nice guy. I met a couple of his other guys. Sorry, I can't remember what their names are, but I'm sure I will eventually know who they are. So what I ended up doing is I ended up putting a pre-order in on 2 vehicles. One is the TRAXXAS MAXX. That's going to be coming out real soon. And then the LOSI Tenacity DB Pro. I am either first or second pre-order for the MAXX. And what's cool about the MAXX, which I don't even think that he knew, because he's just got so much going on in his head, but with the MAXX, if you're one of the first MAXX buyers, like within that first layout of vehicles that they send out, you're getting the light kit for free, which is actually a bonus, because once that truck goes into, like, I guess, regular production and giving it out to, or fulfilling orders to, obviously, dealers, is that light kit is actually going to be a secondary purchase. So it'll be like, you know, an aftermarket light kit that you will have to buy if that's what you want to get. The Tenacity DB Pro already comes with lights, and I'm actually getting, well, you know what? I'm actually not going to tell you what I'm going to get. You'll just have to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and there's definitely more to come. So like I said, are you ready to get reckless? I know I am. It was actually overwhelming when you go in, the amount of parts that he's got, the amount of vehicles that he has, just literally everything. Showed me a little bit about the MAXX. He actually just came back, I think he said from Vegas. He thinks that somebody else might have been on the pre-order for the MAXX, so I'm either number 1 or number 2. I'm going to say I'm number 2. It doesn't really matter to me. Color, it doesn't matter. It's just a color. Whatever color that gets in first, that's what I'm getting. So the surprise that you're going to get is going to be the same surprise that I get. And again, it's the MAXX. You're actually buying the truck. You're not buying the color. I mean, does color matter? Yeah, it does, because the difference between the LOSI Tenacity DB Pro, you know, color scheme, but as far as the MAXX goes, I don't even know what I'm getting for a color, and that doesn't matter. He's got a nice carpet indoor track with a couple of jumps. He's got a nice high loop, 1 platform, you know, obviously with an indoor carpet track, bunch of S-curves. I think's pretty sick. On the next outing that they have, which I think he said was pretty soon, of his crawler track, which is outside. So now I've got to figure out a new receiver for my REDCAT. So that's it, man. So, ready to go. Are you ready to get reckless? I know I am. Go visit their shop. I'll leave the address below. Thanks for watching this episode of What's Up Guy Garage. Yeah, thanks for watching.
It's all about humanity. About humanity.
I do want to give a special shout out to a certain brand. These guys right here. What does that tell you? Thanks, TRAXXAS.